Hey guys, I'm Ethan from Stockman Supply. I got an email from Jose, and he wants to know, he's looking at buying a Flatmaster, and he wants to know what size would best suit his needs. We have three different sizes. We have an 18 inch, a 24 inch, a 30 inch. They all excel at different things. We'll start with the 18 inch, and we'll compare directly to the 24. So I'll get the camera to come nice and close here. The main difference you'll notice between the drums on the 24 and the 18 isn't so much the length of the drum, it's the diameter of the drum. The 18 inch has a 2-inch diameter drum, where the 24, it has a 4-inch diameter drum. That means a couple things. Right off the bat, you'll notice the gap right here, the width of the gap is smaller on the 18-inch drum. That means when I'm sanding smaller pieces, anything under about 3 inches, it is much easier to push that through the sander. A lot safer too. Now, because it has a smaller diameter drum, you can still sand larger and longer material, but you got less than half the sandpaper churning on the drum per rotation. You're going to sand, your feed rate's going to be a lot slower with the 18. With the 24, you got a 4-inch diameter drum. You got 24-inch width. That means I'm going to sand about double the feed rate as the 18. You're going to sand a lot faster. This is most commonly used for standard projects, like signs like this. Raised panel doors, probably one of the most popular things. And oftentimes a 24 is used with 2 different grits. So if you have a sign about this size, you use a 100 grit over here and a 180 over here, or whatever grit you want to use. Now the 30, it is almost a clone of the 24, though it is 6 inches wider. That extra 6 inches allows it to do one thing that the 24 doesn't do as well. This 30 can become an excellent edge sander. So we do sell fences. Normally the fences come in pairs, but you can make your own fences as well. If we just imagine we have 3 fences, this is a very common thing a cabinet shop will do. They'll have coarse, medium, fine, and it makes an excellent edge sander for raised panel doors, cutting boards, anything you need to sand the edge on. So you go coarse, medium, fine. Very nice machine. Now, with any of the machines, you can sand past the end. That means with the 18, you can sand about 3 feet. With the 24, you can sand about 4 feet. With the 30, you can sand about 5 feet. I'm going to do another video in the future to show you guys how to sand past the end, but you do it just as you imagine you would do it. Now, that all being said, the most popular sander that we sell is the 24. Reason being, it's got the fast feed rate, the fast pushing the material through, but also there's not that many projects between 24 inches and 30 inches. And it's just that much smaller and lighter of a machine. Now the 18, you're going to need at least a 1/4 horsepower motor. The 24, you want at least a half. The 30 inch, I normally recommend a 3/4 horsepower. So that kind of gives you a baseline of what all the machines do and do well. If anyone has any other questions, send me an email at info@stockmansupply.com or comment on this video. Thanks for watching.